aggressive shark, dude. Oh my God.
Whoa. Dude, that is insane.
There he goes.
Yeah, grab the tail.
Or that. Oh!
Are you sure?
Oh, you're the man, Micaiah. Look how big that thing is.
Oh my
Dang.
goodness.
Look how big that snake is. Yeah.
What was that? And I went over and picked it up. And I looked up, my snake was in there killing the nest. Well, I killed the snake, but couldn't get him back in the nest. So what kind of bird is it? I don't know. What do I need to do? Help me out. I ain't you the expert. I just found him. I don't want him to die. Don't be mean to him. He just watched all of his brothers and sisters get massacred by a 2-bit snake. He's cute. Look at him. This is my favorite thing ever. He likes me. He likes me. He likes me so much. Oh, come here. See?
Thank you. Here you go. Video.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you. Yes.
This rent time, girl, I'm trying to take care of my rent, girl. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Did it? Oh my goodness. The swimming cat. He's coming. Good boy.
Come on.
Good boy. Oh, well done, buddy. Well done.
Oh.